Hello everyone, welcome again to Ramanujam School of Studies. The question here is this is from H.C. Verma, Chapter 2, Physics and Mathematics, exercise problem. So the question says here let vector A and vector B be two vector of magnitude 10 units each. If they are inclined to the axis x axis at an angle 30 degree and 60 degree respectively, find the resultant. So I hope the question is clear to you now. First of all, we draw x-axis and y-axis. Suppose this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis. So vector A makes an angle 30 degree. So here we see that vector A makes an angle 30 degree. So suppose this vector is OA. So OA is the vector which makes an angle 30 degree with x-axis, and vector OB makes another angle which is 60 degrees. So this is 60 degree and magnitude of both vector are same. So this angle is 60 degree. Now the angle between the both vector is this one, that is 60 minus 30. So this is 30 degree. Okay, now we have to form a parallelogram using the vector. So this is the parallelogram when we made parallelogram by using a vector OA and OB as the adjacent side. The main diagonal, suppose this point is C, the main diagonal, that is OC, is the resultant of the vector which we have to define. So the resultant, suppose R, this is R. So R square is equal to A square plus A square, B square, see here, B square plus 2AB into cos theta, where theta is the angle between vector. Now as we have magnitude of vector A is equal to magnitude of vector B, and suppose this is equal to small a, so we can write R square is equal to A square plus B square. So this is also A square plus 2 into A cos theta. Okay, where theta is the angle between the vector. So we can write here 2A square plus 2A square cos theta. So first of all, we find the resultant in standard form. So we can write here this is equal to 2A square is taken as common. So we have 1 plus cos theta. Okay, now what is the value, what is the trigonometrical ratio represent 1 plus cos theta? So suppose, so see here, cos 2 theta is equal to, we have 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, so we can write here 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to, divided by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to, not divided by, that is 2 cos square theta, 2 cos square theta. So further we can write here, if we replace 2 theta as theta, so we have 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta divided by 2. So once we get the result, we put here. So we have R square is equal to 2A square, okay, into 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta divided by 2, right? So R becomes the square root of 4 into A square into cos square theta by 2. So we can write here cos square theta by 2. Further, this is written as 2A square 2A into cos theta by 2. So this is the standard result, okay, if the magnitude of the both vector are same. Now if we put the value of theta, here theta is 30 degrees, so we have R is equal to 2 cos 2 into A cos theta is 30, so 30 divided by 2. So we have 2A into cos 15 degree, right? So we can write this as, this is equal to 2 into the magnitude of A from the question is 10, so 2 multiplied by 10 cos 15 degree. Okay, so this is equal to 20 cos 15 degree. So this is the resultant. Now we have to find the angle. Suppose the resultant makes an angle, see here, this angle is alpha. Okay, so we can write here tan alpha, tan alpha is equal to b sine theta divided by a plus b cos theta. Okay, so b, where b is the magnitude of second vector, and obviously magnitude of b and magnitude of vector v and magnitude of vector a are same, so we can write here a sine theta divided by a plus a cos theta. So we can further write a sine theta, we can take common a, and we have 1 plus cos theta. Now we have this trigonometrical ratio which we have to the which we have to solve. So we can write here tan alpha is equal to, sine theta can be written as 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 divided by 1 plus cos alpha, cos theta can be written as, see here, this one. So we can write here, see here, this is equal to 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. So we can write here 2 cos square theta by 2. I hope you understand 2 cos square theta by 2. Now we cancel out 2 and 2 and cos theta with 1 square term. So we have tan alpha is equal to tan theta by 2. Hence, alpha is equal to theta by 2. Now, once we get the value of alpha, we put theta is equal to the angle between the term, that is 30 degrees. So, we get alpha is equal to 30 degree divided by 2. So, this is equal to 15 degree. Now, we have to make the direction of the vector from the x-axis. So, net direction, total direction of the x-axis, this is 30 degree and this is alpha. So, net angle with x-axis of the resultant is, suppose this angle is beta. So, this is equal to 30 degree plus 15 degree. So, angle made by the resultant with x-axis will be 45 degree. Hence, the magnitude of the vector, magnitude of the resultant is 2 cos 15, 20 cos 15 degree, and the magnitude makes an angle 45 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. I hope you understand all the concept, all the calculation here. Now moving to the second question in the next video. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.